Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to hard reset the Xiaomi Redmi 9C through recovery mode. To get started, hold the power key, select power off, and wait for the device to shut off. When the device has shut off, hold the power key and volume up until you see the Redmi logo on the screen. If it doesn't show up after 5 to 10 seconds, let go of the power key and start holding it again. You should feel a vibration, the Redmi logo will pop up, and then you can let go of the keys. That should take you to recovery mode. Use the volume keys to navigate. Volume down goes down and volume up goes up. Select the middle option. Wipe data and confirm it with the power key. Press the power key again to wipe all data and confirm. This will begin the process, which is fairly quick. Once finished, select back to main menu, then reboot and confirm to reboot the system. The device will reboot and continue the process in the background, so it will take a bit longer to boot up. Once completed, we should see the Android setup screen. As you can see, the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.